Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the transparent PNG version of the bedroom mockup in Pixlr. First go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, in any web browser. It'll give you a couple of options. We'll click on the Pixlr X1, and then we'll click Open Image to open the mockup. It's going to ask us if we want to size down the image. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size mockup. And now we need to add our design and place it behind here. It's letting us know on the left hand side here that in order to rearrange or move the background layer, we're going to have to unlock it. So we can just click Unlock here, or we can click this little padlock icon in the thumbnail in the Layers panel. So we'll double click that little padlock icon, and you see now it disappears, it's unlocked. You could also click the three dot icon and then click Unlocked here if it was locked. So now we'll click on this little icon of the rectangle with the mountains and the sun. This is Add Image when we hover over it. And then we'll click Browse. We will find the design and click Choose. And it's going to load that right on top of the image. We actually want it behind this transparent area. So we'll hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and we'll just click and drag any of the four corners to resize our artwork. And then once we see this move tool with little four arrows, we'll click on the image and just kind of drag it into place. And then in the Layers panel, we'll click the thumbnail for the artwork and just drag it underneath the thumbnail for the mockup. And you see now your art is on the canvas just like that. And all you need to do is save it. So we'll click this Save button at the bottom here. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail online, like on Etsy, you want to save a JPEG. So we'll click JPG. And then we'll change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high. Then we'll click Download. And it's just going to let us know the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll give you the option to change where that folder is if you want to. And if you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you could click Save again, and then just click PXC this time and click Download again. And please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.